What it takes to be proficient in crochet. Becoming proficient in crochet involves mastering various skills and gaining a good understanding of the craft's principles. Here's a comprehensive guide on what it takes to be proficient in crochet. 1. Understanding basic techniques. Foundation chain. Learn how to create a foundation chain, the base for most crochet projects. Basic stitches. Master the basic stitches such as single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and treble crochet. Turning chains. Understand how to use turning chains when working in rows. 2. Reading patterns. Pattern symbols and abbreviations. Familiarize yourself with common crochet abbreviations and symbols used in patterns. Pattern reading. Practice reading and following simple patterns to build confidence. 3. Working in rounds and rows. Rows. Learn how to work back and forth in rows and increase and decrease stitches. Rounds. Gain skills in working in the round, often used for hats, amigurumi, and other circular projects. 4. Understanding yarn and hooks. Yarn types. Learn about different types of yarn, weight, texture, fiber content, and their uses. Hook sizes. Understand hook sizes and how they correspond to yarn weights. 5. Tension and gauge. Tension control. Practice maintaining consistent tension to ensure even stitches. Gauge swatches. Learn how to create and measure gauge swatches to match the pattern specifications. 6. Advanced techniques. Complex stitches. Explore more complex stitches like the popcorn stitch, cluster stitch, and shell stitch. Color changes. Learn how to change colors smoothly within a project. Joining methods. Master various methods of joining yarns and motifs, such as slip stitch join and invisible join. 7. Finishing techniques. Blocking. Understand the importance of blocking finished projects to shape them correctly. Weaving in ends. Learn how to weave in yarn ends securely. Edging and borders. Practice adding borders and edgings to projects for a polished finish. 8. Project planning. Project selection. Choose appropriate projects for your skill level and gradually challenge yourself with more complex ones. Material estimation. Learn to estimate the amount of yarn needed for projects. 9. Problem-solving skills. Troubleshooting mistakes. Develop the ability to identify and fix common mistakes like missed stitches or incorrect stitch counts. Pattern adaptation. Gain skills in adapting patterns to suit your needs or correct any pattern errors. 10. Practice and patience. Regular practice. Commit to regular practice to improve speed and accuracy. Patience. Be patient with yourself as you learn and improve. Crochet proficiency comes with time and experience. 11. Community and resources. Join communities. Participate in crochet groups, forums, or classes to learn from others and share your progress. Utilize resources. Make use of books, online tutorials, and videos to expand your knowledge and skills. 12. Creativity and experimentation. Design your patterns. Once comfortable, try designing your patterns and projects. Experiment with materials. Experiment with different yarns, hooks, and stitches to see what works best for your style. By focusing on these areas, you can develop proficiency in crochet and enjoy creating a wide variety of beautiful, handmade items.